The next step in making your flute is going to be drilling the holes. You'll notice that I've got the drill stops already put onto the drill bits, and I've color-coded them with tape to correspond with the drilling sheet. The 7/32 inch hole and bit is marked with green tape, the 1/4 inch bit is marked with red tape, and the 9/32 inch bit is marked with blue tape. In this shot, you can see the little dimples that have been put into the tubing to mark where the holes will go precisely. We're going to be using brad point bits to make the holes in our flute. Brad point bits have a sharp center point that fits inside of the divot and centers the hole on the flute. In this shot, you can see how you want to take the brad point bit from tipping it sideways and carefully getting it into the divot, making sure that the center point ends up in the divot, and then you stand the drill upright so it's nice and straight up and down. Hold the tubing firmly and slowly squeeze until you get about a medium speed into your drill. Then I'm going to switch to my 1/4 inch, and again with the 1/4 inch bit, I'm making sure that I'm in the divot. Stand the drill straight up and down, squeeze gently. And I move again and drill the second 1/4 inch hole. Again, going sideways, getting in the divot, squeezing and holding. Next, I'm going to make the 9/32 inch hole. And you'll have to often just clean a little bit of plastic out of the drill bit. Keep it clean and cutting properly. Then move forward and get the second 9/32 inch hole. And the final hole on our flute. And again, cleaning up the plastic.